Oh my. That's the cutest thing ever. Bert!
Ernie's gay-ass left me.
Yeah,
What is he
Ernie's
doing?
not really a big fan. I don't know, but it's wicked cute.
He really is trying to swim over here.
He loves the camera. Oh my god, he loves it. Oh my god, he's gonna follow it.
Does he realize that he's not going anywhere?
He just wants to be a star. He just wants to be a star. Oh, there goes my sunglasses.